Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Boo dating app review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're tired of a shallow, superficial nature of traditional swipe apps here, Boo has become a highly popular alternative built entirely around personality compatibility and social connection. Now, in this case, if you're wondering what it is, well, according to their website and some platform documentations, on in this case, some descriptions here on even on Google Play Store, well, the platform itself, the ecosystem matches you based on the personality psychology. Now, when you first sign up here, you take in an in-depth quiz rooted in Myers-Briggs or MBTI and the Big Five models to uncover your core values, strengths, and communication styles. Now, instead of just a grid of faces, the interface functions like a hybrid social network. Now, similar to Twitter or Reddit featuring universe, these are interest-driven discussions boards where you can post memes, join conversations, and meet like-minded people organically. Now, they've also integrated a robust Boost AI coaching feature that gives you a custom compatibility summaries, flirting tips, and tailored icebreakers based on your match specific personality type. Now, when you dive into what people are actually saying about it, well, in this case, people are overwhelmingly praising the app for creating a much more comfortable environment for introverted or neurodivergent individuals. Now, thousands of five-star reviewers love that it shifts the focus away from the superficial looks and encourages genuine, deep text heavy conversations. Now, people also rave about the community aspect here, noting that the universe makes it incredibly easy to find friends or partners who share hyper specific niche hobbies, from anime to cozy gaming. Now, on the downside here, it's not a perfect platform. Now, obviously, there are going to be some downsides here that you may want to know. Now, in this case, some feedback here on these platforms, a few persistent frustrations. So, the most common complaint centers around the strict daily limits. Now, the free tier here restricts you to roughly around like 8 to 12 daily likes or direct messages, after which you hit a hard wall pushing you to buy their Boo Infinity subscription. Additionally, because the platform is heavily focused on a personality niche rather than massive mainstream volume, users in smaller suburban or rural areas frequently report that the local matching pool dries up very quickly, occasionally showing matches hundreds of miles away. Now, ultimately, if you enjoy what we call the deep diving into personality types and want to build have a built-in AI wingman and prefer building a mental connection before going out on a date here, the strong consensus is that the Boo's unique social community is absolutely worth trying here. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you if you want to try it for yourself. But that's about it. So, for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.